Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your fifth unit last lesson. They literally build the nation. So in the previous class or in the previous unit we have discussed that our future generations will build our nation and how what are the qualities to be that is strong. So now we will discuss about that is they literally build the nation means generally if we construct a building or if we construct an office or if we construct any factory dam everything, we generally what we want first we should have a planning. So this planning is given by civil engineer. So now civil engineering is playing a very good and major role in our nation. So nowadays we are not, that is civil engineerings are not getting their importance in the nation. So if we construct a dam or if we construct a building, should be good planning. If there is no planning, any bhukamp, that is any natural hazards like tsunami, bhukampam came, then what happens that buildings will fall down. It may leads to many deaths and loss of property and loss of money, everything. So here in this lesson mainly what the telling is civil engineer has that has a very importance in our nation. So the qualities of a civil engineer is, in the olden days the plan was given by that engineer and many people used to work, but now that is what is the cost, and that is if a person come and he will give a best plan with low cost, we will go for that person only, we will not go for another person. And here government also that is recently metro rail and dams and all projects have developed by KCR, and also here this planning also only done by civil engineer only. So here in this lesson mainly discussing about civil engineer has many importance in our nation, and the civil engineer has to be good qualities and good knowledge, infrastructure and all. That is if we build a one small building or single room also, we should have a planning. And if we build a high 4 floors 5 floors building also, we should have a plan. So this plan is given by civil engineer. So here the civil engineer also should give a good planning, because mistake in his planning will give loss to many things, that is money loss and property loss and all. So here in this lesson that is mainly civil engineers are very important to our day to day life, and it is discussed in this lesson. It is that is if you are interested in civil engineering, you should study, and there is a good scope for that because day by day buildings are all that is all the buildings if the population increases, the number of buildings also increases. But so there is a good scope in that field. So if you want to do that engineering, civil engineering, it will be good, and you should read carefully, study carefully, because it is a matter of death of the people. So this is all about this lesson, a small that is tribute to the civil engineers. Hope you understand. Thank you.